Good evening everyone, and today I am with a new poem for you, that is The Tale of Custard the Dragon, and a very hearty welcome to all of you to Aurora online classes. Dear students, The Tale of Custard the Dragon, this poem is from First Flight and this is by Ogden Nash. This is the 10th poem of your This is the 10th poem from your book First Flight. And about the poet, actually, as I said right now, that this is by Ogden Nash, and he was born on 19th August 1902 in New York. And actually, his first collection of poems, that is poetic collection, or this was Hard Lines. So Hard Lines was his first collection of poems. There are many poems. It's a poetic collection, that is Hard Lines, which was published in 1931. Then The Boy Who Laughed at Santa Claus and Girls Are Silly. The Boy Who Laughed at Santa Claus and The Girls Are Silly are among his famous books. And Nash is perhaps best remembered, is best known for his nonsense poetry. Nonsense poetry, and he died on 19th May 1971 in Maryland in United States. Nonsense poetry is different from other poetries. It doesn't mean that it is a senseless poetry. No, it doesn't mean senseless poetry. It means it is different from other poetry. Actually, it is a humorous poem, I would say, comical poem, funny poem, which makes you laugh. So he is best known for his humorous poems, funny poems, means comical poems, hasane wala, which makes you laugh. So the tale means a story. The Tale of Custard the Dragon. Actually, it's a whimsical fantasy. It's a humorous poem. And Belinda is the owner, I would say. She is the owner of 4 pets. So she lives alone in a white house. Belinda is the owner. She is the mistress of 4 pets. She keeps 4 pets, isn't it? And she lives in her little white house. And what are the 4 pets that she keeps? They are a dog, actually 4 pets. They are dog, cat, mouse and a dragon named Custard, isn't it? So actually all other dwellers means those who are living in the house, all other dwellers of the house except Custard. Custard is the name of the dragon. They pride themselves on their fearlessness. They boast of their bravery. They boast of their courage. So mouse, kitten, dog, isn't it? And Belinda, they boast of their bravery. They claim that they are very brave, they are very bold, they are courageous, and they make fun of Custard. Custard is the dragon. Actually, dragon is it's a very long serpent. It's a long snake in a mythological character, I would say. So, which has sharp teeth, and its mouth is just like a fireplace. It emits fire, it belches out fire, it blows fire, and there are daggers on its toes, isn't it? So it looks very horrible. This Custard, I mean the dragon, the name of this Custard is dragon. The name of the dragon is Custard. So who are they? dog, cat, mouse and Belinda, they make fun of Custard for his timidity. Timidity means cowardice. Cowardice means kayarta, darpook. However, when the real danger comes, all others run away in panic except Custard. Only Custard fights ferociously and swallows the pirate. Pirate means sea robber. Sea robber. So the poem ends ironically. After the danger is past, everyone begins to boast again about their courage. Ironically, Custard, who fought like a hero against the pirate, agrees that everyone else is braver than he is. So appearances may be deceptive, and even your merit and your real value may not be recognized by your unwilling rivals. So don't judge the book by its cover. The real strength does not lie in your physical appearance. It does not lie in your physical look, in your appearances. It lies in your self-confidence. So let's go for the summary of the poem. As I have said right now that this is a humorous poem. The Tale of Custard the Dragon by Ogden Nash, isn't it? Actually, this is a humorous poem, funny poem, comical poem. And it is written in the form of a ballad. Belinda, as I have said right now, Belinda lives in a little white house with 4 pets. And who are the 4 pets that she has, that she keeps in her little house? They are Ink. Let me tell you about the characters, the pets. And they have different names. They are Ink. And who is Ink in this story? Ink is a little black kitten. Ink is cat. Little black kitten. Kitten. Then we have Blink. Blink is a little grey mouse. Blink is a mouse. It's a little grey mouse. Ink is a little kitten. Bilota, billi ka bacha. And Blink is a little grey mouse. Then we have Mustard. It's a little yellow dog. So the color and character is same. Mustard is a little yellow dog, and the Custard. Custard is the name of little pet dragon. So Belinda lives in a little white house, and she is the mistress of owner of the house, and she as well as the owner of the mistress of all her pets. So there are 4 pets. Number 1, Ink, and Ink is the black kitten. Then Blink is a little grey mouse. Blink is the mouse. And Mustard, a little yellow dog. Color is same. Mustard. And then we have Custard, and Custard is the little pet dragon. So there are 4 pets living with Belinda in her white house. Now, let us talk about them. Actually, all other pets except Custard were thought to be very courageous. They were thought to be very bold and brave. Means all other creatures, all other pets, like kitten means Ink, like Blink means mouse, like Mustard means yellow dog, little yellow dog, all are little one, and the owner herself means Belinda. So actually all of them consider themselves very brave, very courageous, and they always boast about. They always speak highly about their bravery, that nobody is braver than us. They always talk about their courage, that they are more courageous, they are braver than others, they are courageous than others, more courageous than others. So they boast about their bravery, they boast of their courage. And Custard means, Custard is the name of the dragon. Custard was meek and coward. Coward means timid, कायर, डरपोक. They consider Custard that Custard is timid, Custard is coward, एक कायर है, डरपोक है. And Custard always wanted a safe cage for himself. Custard always wanted a safe cage. That let me have this safe cage. I will be safe in the cage. पिंजड़ा, सुरक्षित पिंजड़े में मुझे रहने दो. And all these pets make fun of Custard. That Custard is cowardice. So they make fun of Custard's cowardice. They make fun of Custard's timidity. That Custard is timid. Timid means coward, कायर, डरपोक in Hindi. They mock at him. Now, outwardly means externally, बाहरी रूप से. Outwardly, the dragon had big sharp teeth. Very sharp, big sharp teeth dragon. You may have seen in some film or in movie Dragon. So the dragon had big sharp teeth, as his mouth looked like a fireplace. You must have seen dragon belching out or blowing fire from his mouth, fireplace, isn't it? Flames, you must have seen dragon blowing flames. You must have seen flames coming out of the dragon's mouth. So it looks very terrible. बहुत भयानक लगता है. His mouth looked like a fireplace, and not only that, this is the physical appearance of Custard. And Custard, once again, is the name of the dragon, one of Belinda's pets. So fireplace, and there were daggers, and there were daggers on his toes, Custard toes, daggers, कटार, उसके पैरों की अंगुलियों कटार जैसे थे. तो daggers, छुरा, big knife is called daggers. So there were daggers on his toes. On whose toes there were daggers? There were daggers on the toes of the dagger. There were daggers on the toes of the dragon. And what is the name of the dragon? Custard is the name of the dragon. What is the name of the little black kitten? Ink. Ink is the name of the little black kitten. What is the name of the little grey mouse? Blink is a little grey mouse. What is the name of a little yellow dog? Mustard is the name of the little yellow dog. And what is the name of the dragon, little dragon? Custard is the name of the little dragon. So 4 pets were living, and all these pets used to make fun of Custard's, Custard's timidity, Custard's cowardice, उसकी कमजोरी, उसकी कायरता पर हंसते थे. Belinda was as brave as a barrel of bears. Belinda was as brave as barrel of bears. She had the strength of a group of bears. She thought herself to be so brave. Ink and Blink, they always boasted about their own bravery, that their own strength, their own power. Ink, that is kitten, black kitten, little black kitten. Blink, that is little grey mouse. Ink and Blink could chase even the lions down the stairs. They could chase the lions, the brave lions, down the stairs. The stair means city. Mustard, the yellow dog, was as brave as a tiger. So Ink and Blink could chase even the brave lions down the stairs. Belinda was as brave as a barrel of bears, bhalu, and Mustard, the yellow dog, was as brave as a tiger. Did you get it? Now, one day what happened? One day a pirate means sea robber, samudri daku. Here it's a robber, daku, thief. One day what happened? And they were living with Belinda in that White House. Even Belinda also made fun of Custard. Custard is the name of the dragon. So one day a pirate breaks into Belinda's house, breaks into a robber, this sea robber, this sea robber, thief. This robber breaks into, means enters Belinda's house forcefully, climbing the window. Belinda saw this beggar. Belinda saw this robber, this pirate. She got scared and she cried for help. And when she cried for help, so let us talk about this pirate first. So a pirate enters Belinda's house, and this pirate had, means robber, this pirate had pistols in both hands, and he was holding a dagger in his mouth, Qatar. This pirate was holding a dagger in his mouth. His beard, means the pirate's beard, daddy, the pirate's beard was very black, and one of his legs, means one of the pirate's legs was of wood, lakdi ka bana hua leg. So one of his legs was of wood. He looked very frightening, very fearful, very terrible, bahut bhayanak, daravana. And his intention was also terrible. He wanted to kill them. He wanted to rob everything from there, out of her house. So Belinda cried for help, because you have also come to know Belinda was as brave as a barrel of bears. Ink and Blink could chase the even brave lions down. They were braver than lions. They were stronger than lions. So when Belinda cried for help, Ink, Blink and Mustard heard her cry. Did they come forward to save Belinda from the pirate? No. What happened to their bravery? So when they heard Belinda's cries for help, Ink, Blink and Mustard, they ran away in fear. Dar gaye, just because of the pirate. So Ink, Blink and Mustard ran away in fear. They became panic and they hide, छुप जाते हैं. But Custard faces the pirate bravely. Custard fought with the pirate bravely and killed him. Custard fought. They all other pets like Ink, Blink, Mustard, they ran away out of fear from this pirate, this robber. Nobody came for Belinda's help. Nobody came for Belinda's rescue. Then who came for Belinda's help? Who came for Belinda's rescue? Custard. The same Custard whom other pets considered him coward. They considered him timid, darpoke, and they made fun of his coward eyes. But he came to the fore. He came forward and saved Belinda. Not only Belinda, but he saved all other companions like Ink, Blink and Mustard. He saved their life from this pirate, from this robber, from this thief. He fought bravely with him and he swallowed him, nigal gaya, gulped him, killed him. Now, after the death of this robber, Belinda was very much happy with Custard. She hugged Custard, embraced Custard, and the other pets like Ink, Blink and Mustard, they also enjoyed a lot, and they also danced with joy. They started dancing with joy. But soon after, they were again boasting of their bravery. Soon after, they once again started boasting of their bravery. What a funny poem it is. Belinda was also again taken in by them. But poor Custard was the real hero. And this poor Custard was not given his due respect he deserved. Actually, Custard is the real hero. He deserved the honor. He deserved all kinds of respect. But very soon after it, Custard was forgotten. His sacrifice was forgotten. They did not give him the due respect. Due respect means proper respect. Due means proper, uchit samman, which he deserved. He was not given, he was forgotten. Once again they started making fun of Custard. Then the Custard said, they are braver, my friends are braver than me, Ink, Blink, Mustard, they are braver than me, and I want a safe cage. Belinda and her pets started patting themselves for their courage and bravery. Let me tell you, are they brave and bold? No. Be it Belinda, be it Ink, Blink and Mustard, they were not brave, they were not bold, they got scared, they got frightened just because of the robber. Then who is the real hero? Custard is the real hero. And they are the braggart. They only knew how to brag about themselves. Braggart means boaster. They started boasting of themselves only, making fun once again. Again they started making fun of Custard. So Custard was not given due respect. The poor Custard was again mocked at. Mock means if you mocks at someone, it means you make fun of someone. किसी का मजाक उड़ाना, हंसना, ridicule करना. For his meekness, meekness means weakness, and timidity, timidity means cowardice, कायरता, डरपोकपन. So this is the end of this poem. So it's a humorous poem, comical. So faces are deceptive. Real strength, true strength does not lie in external appearance. And never judge a book by its cover. Judge a book by its contents. Thank you very much. I hope you must have understood this poem. So this is the end of the detailed summary of this poem. In my next class, I'll give you line by line explanation. I'll discuss the poetic devices and the word meanings. Thank you very much. Till then, be happy, stay blessed. Thank you very much. That's all for today.